Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube account. So today we're going to be showing you guys how to change sounds on iMovie. So practically the sounds that we're going to change is like sound effects, so like giggle, children laughing and booing and stuff. So yeah, let's get on to it. You just make a photo. Use photo. Okay, so you've got the photo here. Then you just, okay, now we're gonna add giggle. Yeah, that sounds very weird. Okay, now we're making it longer because, so this is what giggle sounds like now. Okay, yeah, you get the picture. That's very loud. I'm gonna turn this down. Yeah, that's still very loud. Okay, now we're gonna make it into doing it. That's whoa, okay. See, it sounds like a 10-year-old. It's like a 10-year-old. And maybe if we make it a bit... Get onto it. Oh my god, did you see that difference? Okay, now let's try kids. Okay, that's very loud. That is very loud. Okay, so we're gonna make it slower. Okay, let's see what it sounds like now. Okay, let's make it even slower. What the hell? Oh my god, they sound so depressed. Oh my. You're torturing them! My god, they sound like not happy at all. I think there's something wrong with these kids. They need help. No, there's something wrong with you! Okay. Okay, well, it's just like really weird. Thank you for watching, kids. Make sure to subscribe and like that button and hit the like button. I mean, I just died. I just got nightmares from this. Did you guys get nightmares from this? This might give you a headache. I hope this gives you a headache. Die. I'm scared. I just got nightmares.